your high income business in 2025. The first high income business I have is called cybersecurity consultants. As technologies advance, cybersecurity threats are becoming more sophisticated. The global security market is expected to grow from $220.6 billion in 2021 to $334.6 billion in 2026. By starting a cybersecurity consultant, you can help businesses protect themselves from these threats and ensure their data and systems are secure. The next one is called Shopify Development Business. Shopify is a popular e-commerce platform with over 3.76 million active stores. As more business move on, the demand for Shopify developer is increasing. By starting a Shopify development business, you can help entrepreneurs and small business build and customize their online store. The next one is called affiliate marketing business. Affiliate marketing is a lucrative business idea that involves promoting products or service and earning a commission on sales. With the right market strategy and audience, you can generate significant income through affiliate marketing. The global affiliate marketing spend is expected to reach $12 billion in 2025. The next is website development and design. Website development and design is a high demand skill that can generate significant income. By starting a website development business, you can help businesses create professional websites that attract and engage their target audience. The next one is online course creation. The e-learning market is expected to reach $1 trillion by 2032, growing at a gap of 14%. By creating and selling online courses, you can share your expertise and generate positive income. You can use platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or Skillshare to host your course. The next one is Android and iOS development. The demand for mobile app developer is increasing as more businesses move to mobile platform. By starting an Android or iOS development business, you can create custom app for businesses and individuals. The next one is website flipping business. Website flipping involves buying, improving, and selling websites for a profit. With the right skill and expertise, you can identify undervalued websites, improve them, and sell them for a significant profit. Websites are usually sold for 25 times to 40 times their monthly profit. The last and not the least is called IoT development business. What is the meaning of IoT? IoT is the Internet of Things. Market is expected to grow at a gap of 26.4% from $384.7 billion in 2021 to $2.465 trillion by 2029. As more devices become connected, companies are looking for expertise to develop and implement IoT solutions with the right skills and experts. You can captivate on this growing trend and create innovative products and services. You can start creating hardware and software development and you can still create customer IoT solution, including designing device, photo printing and testing, with data analysis and security, develop websites and mobile basic application for control and monitoring IoT device. So all these are my high income business that you can start in 2025. Anything you think about this video, do not forget to leave it in the comments below. And do not forget to help me to share this video, give your friends and family. If you have not subscribed, subscribe to the channel, like this video. As you do that, thank you and God bless you. I love you guys. I will see you in my next one.